Right, if we're going to divide 3 and 77/100ths by 1 and 3/10, I think the area model makes the most sense to me when I'm thinking about it. So I'm not going to use the grid lines except to try to at least kind of make straight lines. So one of my lengths is going to be 1 and 3/10. So that's my whole, and that's 3/10 of a whole distance. And then I know my entire area is going to equal 3 square units and 77/100ths of a square unit. So if I go down 1 and make 1 square unit and 3/10, then I'll have that so far as my total area. So that's not enough. So I can do another one. And then so far my total area is 2 6/10. Now if I add on another whole unit here, it's going to put me at 3 9/10, which is too much, but it's actually pretty close to what I want. So I know I need to add on more than just a little bit, but I'm just going to see what happens if I just add on a 1/10 here, what that looks like. So I'd add on 1/10 here, and then 3/100. So it would actually 1/10 and 3/100 or 13/100 is what I would have there. So let's try to add on 3 more rows of tenths. So there's my tenths and my hundredths here. So that's going to be 0.3. I'm just doing that to show you what's happening. So I'd have 3/10 and 9/100 there. So far that is equaling 4, 5, and 2. Okay, so far this whole length is equal to 2 whole and 4/10, I'm sorry. It looks like I should, if I want to get there, I can't add on another. Because 4 more tenths would put me at another 52, which I think would be, let's try it. So I could actually just, let's see what I have left here. This is my total area. Remember, I was keeping track of my area here. So that gives me, so you know what? If I add 50, another 52, let's just see what happens with math over here. That's going to put me there. All right, so I know I can do that. And honestly, it doesn't even really matter if I draw it here because I know what the answer is going to be. I added 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's going to be 52/100 as my total area of this rectangle right here. So now my total area is at 3 64/100. And I need to, I think, if I just add on 1 more 10th, see how much thinking is going on here? It's a lot. But the 5th graders can do it because if they understand decimals as well as they're supposed to, and understand division as well as they're supposed to. So I just got my total area there by adding up all of that. So now I need to find out what the length of this side is. So I was at 2 4/10 here. I added in 5 more tenths. So my answer is 2 9/10. Have fun.